pretty straightforward. Have here, huh? We got a GTX 12 BS. I leave those little bolts loose on the top, so when I get there for the battery exchange, I'm going to keep them. Again, it just slides out. Pretty simple. Let's see what one of these run. And we'll reverse the procedure. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we're back here. I got the new battery. It was $59.87 as of 9/19. 2022. So let's see if I get this in before work. We'll see how long this lasts. Never last. ES12BS. Pretty standard install. You take these off, take the caps off. This will then be the plug for the top, and see the batteries, they're it's kind of on an angle, and that will pierce this. Kind of line it up. You can see it going. Maintenance. You know, what is this? This manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pages. Of course, the other side's Spanish, I believe. And probably 7 of the 8 pages is telling me not to drink this stuff. Yeah, look, you know, it seems like it says initial charge is required before placing battery into service. The chart is shown on the chart. So let's see, 12 BS, capacity 10 amps, stand time after adding acid 1 hour. I'm going to do 2 amps, so 2 amps will be at 3 to 5 hours. I'll bring you back once this is done filling. Alright guys, got the top on. Stand times an hour. Again, this is a ES12 BS. I wonder what the BS stands for from Walmart. Bull crap, right? Alright, got this. Alright, let's get in the motorcycle. Okay, so now we're just going to reverse the procedure. We're putting this in. Okay, positive over on this side. Sometimes I have a problem with these studs not being long enough, because they have to go through that. See, and then you keep screwing it, and it never grips. So then I have to take my hook, and I almost dropped it down in the thing. The problem with this I have is I need to get that under there first. So there, it's under there. So now if I put this underneath there, that's going to be a problem. I'm going to start it again. Sit. That took way longer than I thought, but the nut, by the time you have this this spade, the washer, and this piece, the nut that's down there encased, is the bolt's just a tad too short. So now we got that. See if it, yeah. So we'll let that sit. We'll come back. problem is the doors. The doors are, 4 inches lower than the concrete. So if you make a ramp, it's going to hit. Take them channels off. I put this battery in. I filled it with acid. I let it sit probably 3-4 hours. It said let it sit for 2 hours, I believe. Then I put it on a trickle charger for 2 amps. That actually turns off once it's charged. So I believe you're supposed to only charge it for an hour at half an amp. So we have now 13.2. Okay. I didn't have over 12. I didn't have over 12. Okay, when I was so we got 13.2, 1311. Now with the juice on, I'm at 12.67. Okay, so again, I just, from tinkering around from these things, I know. So now we're back with it off. We're at 12.7. The key on. Key is on. We're at 12.6. .7 or 14.3, I think it was. But anyways, that tells me the alternator is working. What was happening before was I could jump it and get it running, and when I put the charger on, or when I put the ohm meter on, check the voltage, it showed me like 12 point something. Not 14. So it was taking the alternator and distorting the charge, because there was a bad cell. How do I know it's a bad cell? Because there's 6 cells and they're each 2.2, something like that. You get a bad cell, you're down in the 10 rating, and that throws off the voltage. From what I learned. Again, this is a new battery from Walmart. I followed the instructions. Right to the T of charging it. So we'll see how long this lasts. Today is September 20th. It's my daughter's birthday, 3 years old. Put this battery in. We'll see how long it lasts. Alright. So we got the battery in. Now we're going to put the seats on. I did put these bolts in temporarily, just so I didn't lose them. So it'll be the first one. So the big seat goes in here. Like that. Like that. This is 6mm. What's the German word for these? Guten tight. Sorry about the wind. Okay. Now we'll take this one out. Okay. Millimeter. All right. So again, this is a Suzuki. It's 2006. It might be a 2008. M50 Boulevard. It's been lowered. Cobra exhaust. $3,011 miles. So the bike's 3,011 miles. So if the bike, say 2007, roughly 15 years old, it's 200 miles a year. All right, thanks for watching.